Hello guys, my name is Jan and today we're going to scrape another website which is named esearch.wildcat.org. It's a property search. As you see, there are a lot of real estate information on this website, and my customer wants some portion from this information. So what he needs the name of the owner. Here we see Isenberg Jeffrey M. Then he needs the mailing address, and he asked me to separate fields like city, like this field, and like zip code. So we have street, city, and zip code separate fields in our Excel file. Then he needs the location address, and one more important thing that I gave him, so he needs the property deed history, like deed date and description only. So he needs only first column and third column. Then he asked me to scrape the totals. So he needs this value total and this amount due. So we scraped this total and the last value. We have a lot of totals here, and so the total amount of pages I need to scrape, it was from, as you see on, I will type here, from 10,000 to 48,000. So really a lot of pages, and I make a script for him. So let's see the script. So what we see here, we see that we're using the Python language for this script, and as we see, we use the grep mechanism to scrape all data, grep spider, as you noticed. So first we read the urls txt file. Let me open it for you. So here is the urls txt, and here is all our URLs, but let me zoom in, but they are random, as you see, because I collected only valid URLs that my client wanted. So why I collected them? Because the server finds the information that we need only using these URLs. So we don't need other URLs, only these. There are 18,1937. Only these valid URLs we need. So first the script reads this file urls.txt, create an array, and then it iterates this array and create each iteration it creates the task get1 with priority and URL, the separate URL from this list. Then we open the task get1. We're using the sleep mode for crawling in a slow mode, so server gives us information and will not stop our script, our crawler. Then we check that class swell exists, and if not exists, we will scrape our data. So first, as you see, we check the type. So I will show you what the type I mean. So the type should be real, because the client need only real estate, and we see this type field and its value is real, so he needs only pages that has this value like real. Then we check that we check name, and if the length of name more than more than three lengths, more than three words, three letters, we set this value. If not, we set this value. This is because some values have like this, like you see, three words, sorry, not three letters, three words, but some of them have four words, two words, and different values. Then we get the mailing address, and here is my comments, and then we check if this condition, then we have this. If this condition, then we have else, and this is the last condition checking. Then we get, so mailing address, let me show you what it is. So this is mailing address, and then we check the address. Where is our address? Address is here. So why do we need address and mailing address? Because some pages have these fields, and other pages have mailing address field. So we got both, and then we can see what we want and what we can delete in our result Excel file. Then we have the string with all our values, and we write it to our file. Our file is named like items.csv. It's the Excel format. And then the last, we check the date. So we find on page date value. Let me show you where is it on this page. So this is it. So we check this column value, this column header value, date, and then we have a lot of replacements and grab all these divs, I mean these div containers, and then we get the first column and the third column. So then we write it, as you see, to our file, and the last thing that we get in our script is the totals. So we find the container with class success, and you can see the, let me show you. So here is our table, and it has class success. Let me show you where it is. Where is the class success? So you see that all TR has class success. Sorry, not all table, but all TR has class success, and we get this column TD value, so what the year total, and we get the last column. This is not available, but let's check another. This is available, so we get this number. And let me show you the last thing. The last thing, we use the thread number 1, so the server do not stop our script, and it works slowly. I got all 18,000, as you see, 18,937 pages for 1.5 days. So it was quite long, but we got the result. So let me show you the example of the Excel file we had. I only use this URL so you can see the live translation of what we have. So we will run now the script. It's running on my PC, but I can use the proxy, so the server do not know what country I'm from. So we have the items Excel, and let me open it. Okay, and we can check what data we have only for this link. So we have the real, Eisenberg, Jeffrey. Oh, we missed the M. We missed the third word. It was M. Let me see. Eisenberg, Jeffrey, M should be, but we have Eisenberg, Jeffrey. Okay, maybe I need to have some another. So then we have the street, we have city, we have this, and we have zip code. So let's see where we get it. We get it from this value. Maybe I need to zoom. Yes, this is it. So we have the street. Let's check it. Yes, this is it. Then we have city, this, and zip code. Okay, so what's next? We have the, here it is. We have another street and zip code. So let's check it. Yes, this is it. Address. We have this street in one column and this value in another column. Here it is. Then we have the source URL. I try to be clear with my client and to show him the source URL so he can check the data that he got from me. Then we have the date. So let's check it. This is the date and description. Let me show you on this page. So where is our date? We have, yes, this is property date history. We have this column and this description, and we have this column and this description, this value and this value. So let's check me. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and next we have totals. 12, 18, 12, 17, 12, 16, and all totals that we have on this page, and this is the last total. So guys, this is all the script about the eSearch website. So we have a lot of values in our result Excel, and my client was thankful to me that we did this good work. So if you need a script, if you need some crawler, or for example some data mining service, you can ask me. My contacts are under this video, and my Fiverr account has a lot of reviews, and you can check all this and find me on Fiverr or on Facebook. Have a nice day, guys, and bye bye.